Hey friends, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video I'm going to share with you guys my new office desk space. This was in the works and it's something that I absolutely love. It's super private. I can get more creative here. It's in a smaller space and it's very more organized, very minimal with things. So if this is something that sounds like you're interested in, then keep on watching. I have set up this area in my home. It's actually my master bedroom to set up just a smaller space for myself so I can get more planning done, personal time, and this is just like the perfect small space for me at the moment, and I just definitely wanted to share in case you were looking for something like this. And it is working in a very smaller space, and I definitely wanted to show you this desk from IKEA. Eventually I'm going to have something here maybe because I have space here, but this is what I'm working with, and I definitely wanted to show you this in case you were looking for something like this. So let's just talk about the top part of my desk space, and I will link the exact desk that I have here currently in the descriptions down below. Okay, on my desk space, I really just wanted something that I use on a like day-to-day basis. So I have like my washi over there. I have my favorite Mildliner pens in a mug. This is kind of what I love storing pens in, is cute mugs. This is actually from Happy Planner. It's super old, but coffee mugs are really cute to store that, and gives your desk space more of like your personality touch, and I don't know, I really love that. So I have that, I have a calendar, I have a space for my iPad, which is I film and edit off of and use for other things. This little holder is really cute. I got that also from IKEA. And then this little organizer, which has a lot of my essentials. This is from ERIN. So I have my favorite black pens, some colored pens that I want to test out, scissors and punches in the middle. And then I have the zebra click art here. And then other planner essential tools like whiteout, glue pens, washi tape, cutters, again, whiteout, like correction tape, all those essentials that you need. So that's there. And then I have a frame of me and my husband, a nice plant here, but it's faux. And then this is actually something new that I put here. This is actually a tray that has Happy Planner old tiny sticker books that I kind of want to have there so I can use those up. And then I have this bag here. This bag actually goes with me on the go. So I pop this into my planner bag, which I'll share with you. It's actually under this desk. And this has more essential things that I want to use on a daily basis. So I have click art. I have, these are CONDREN like scissors, travel scissors. And then like pens that I want to use. And then this is a cutter tool. So just miscellaneous of things. So this one actually I take away, so I don't have so much pens on my desk. And then over here I have like this notepad right here. This is from ERIN for me to brain dump things. So I have like this awesome checklist. I have this blank page here. I have a line section here, and then I have the weekly view here, Monday through Sunday. So this is great for dinner ideas. This is really great for families and work and all the things. So I love having this here, and I can actually have it to the side where it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. And then this is my main catch-all planner. This is the agenda. So that stays there. And then kind of viewing you guys up a little bit, it gives me an opportunity to have like, it's not so cluttered. It gives me like free space on my desk. So this is how I like it. Versus my studio. A studio is just more of a creative studio, right? It's not like my office desk. I feel like this space here gives me time to just have more quiet time and creativity time, and just my studio space is just collected with all the things right now. So anywho, over here I have a stack of planners that I'm currently going through my July lineup. So these sometimes are here, or I have a bookshelf over here that I keep other planner things with my books and things, so in my room. So anyways, I will always have like a stack of things that I'm working on to the side. Again, it gives me more space to have freed up here, and it's not as cluttered. This desk, it has 2 drawers. I definitely wanted a desk. So if you guys have seen my studio desk tour, you notice that it has the Alex drawers. So I don't have drawers like this, and this is something that I wanted, something a little different. So I could put things like catch-all things. So it has 2 here that I wanted to fill up on things that I use on a daily basis. So here are my little containers. You may have seen these before in my studio upstairs, but this is like beauty stuff. So it's just like for my glasses, lip balm, hair clip, hair tie. This is correction tape, glue stick, and whiteout, and just, you know, different tapes. This is sticky notes. I have a stencil, some flags, and then bookmarks. This here is my Canon Ivy, so I could print photos down here if I need to. And these little containers are actually from Target in the back to school area, so definitely check that out. And then I have some sticker paper here, and then on the bottom here I have some erasers, paper clips, and binder clips. Okay, then I have Live Love Posh stickers in here, currently sticker books. So this will be a section where I put her sticker books, because her sticker books are really large, and I want to be able to have some down here in this space so I could work on. So I have Retro Holidays, Beach Babe, I think I have 4 that fit here, Chic Summer, and Retro Babe. I think she's working on her fall release, so stay tuned for that. That should be releasing sometime in August. Okay, then I have these 2 trays here. These trays, I think I got them from Walmart or Dollar Tree. Maybe Dollar Tree. Maybe they came in a pack of 3. I've had them for a while. So in this tray, if I can get this out with one hand, this has dot markers. So I have different dot markers in here, different brands. And then this tray has Tombow brushes. So if you guys saw my pen swatch stuff, these are all the new ones that I have, so I can play with in the color tones. So those stay here. Those fit perfectly. And then over here, I have room for other planners. So I have ERIN CONDREN horizontal in the canvas. And then I have a new Amy Tangerine planner there. So I wanted to have some planners that I am, you know, playing with close by. All right, so that's what's in that drawer. And then in this drawer, and then I have my little, this is what I use to film videos with. It's not the best. You see how it's not as stable? It shakes a lot, but this is what I use for my iPad. I think I got that off Amazon. Okay, it barely fits. I didn't even know if that was gonna work, but because these drawers have like a little divot, it works. Thank goodness. Okay, so this is where I keep my iPad. It fits perfectly there because it's a slim iPad. This is the ERIN CONDREN. This is actually the 7x9 folio. This is what I have faith stuff in, and if I want to take this to church. So that's in there and actually fits with my iPad. And actually, this also has enough space to put like another planner on top. So if I really wanted to have my desk cleared, I could put more in here. Excuse me. So I love that factor. And then right here, because of this being in the way, I only have like some extra sticky notes here, and then this hole punch, because I'm in the agenda ring system. So I wanted to have this close by in case I wanted to punch something in my planner. And it fits perfectly there. You can see that. Okay, and then over here is a little stack of things. So I have like these sticky notes from ERIN CONDREN to work on like projects, and I love this size and that it's a good sticky note. So I can just, you know, post that in my planner for jotting things down. Then I have this little mini happy planner. This was something that I had for school when I went back and did classes. So it has a lot of those information in here. So that's why this is in here. This is my meal planner petite. Then I have some notepads. So I have this one from Plan Anything. I have this one from Plan Anything. I have a binder clip of ERIN CONDREN stickers. So if I want to use these up, instead of keeping this whole stack in my agenda, it just gives way too much bulk. So I decided to keep this in my desk space. These little stickers, some accessories. So the Avery pockets, an interchangeable cover by ERIN CONDREN, and then the snap-in dashboards, because I'm trying to play catch up from the summer and set up some of my planners for July. So that's what's on this side, just the little essentials that I need. I think it works out perfect. So I have my washi stand here. You guys didn't get like a refresh video. If you are following me for a while, you know I do like a shop my stash, where it's technically I'm shopping my own stash and I refresh or rotate my stash, and typically it's a seasonal thing. But yeah, so this is all my summer pools of washi. Then I have this little coaster there for my drink beverages. Okay, so down here by my desk, you can see that I have space on both sides. So if I wanted to put like a little table, I could if I needed extra storage space, but I'm trying to keep it as minimal as possible. So I'm not bringing extra stuff down here, because the whole point of this was me to have a smaller, less decluttered space, and that I'm only focusing on things that I want to focus on, and I'm not distracted or overwhelmed by all the things. And my studio is kind of that way. It's got just stuff that I need to destash. It has like Cricut stuff that I'm working on, and like me and the girls will make shirts up there, or my daughter will paint. It's a lot more than like my little office desk space. So anywho, this is why I decided to do this. Okay, so here at the bottom, I have my camera under there and another stand, and then my iPad case. But this little thing came in handy. This is the ERIN CONDREN. I think it was meant for teachers. It came out when they launched the Teacher Life Planners. It's the Caddy, but it's an Inspire, and I do have some sticker books in here. I was trying to limit myself, so just want to give you guys a quick tour of what's in here. So first is this little pouch here that has more pens. Carries a lot of pens in there. So I have the ERIN CONDREN ones, and then I have these Papermate ones. So you can put a lot of pens in here or anything that you like. It's like a huge pocket. And then around this caddy though, it has little pockets for you to put more pens and miscellaneous things, but this is what I have set so far. So in here, it's just more miscellaneous things that if I want to play or pull, I don't have to go upstairs to my studio. So I have more writing tools by ERIN CONDREN. I have a label maker here, and then a refill pack. And then I haven't shared this yet, but I just got the new Amy Tangerine watercolor set. This is actually the new one. And I had went to her launch party, collab with Avery here in April in LA, and I saw this and I was like, I've been meaning to get the old one, but I was like, you know, I will get this one, and I'm finally glad I did. It's supposed to be like cute and portable, and I just can't wait to play with that. Okay, I also have ink in here because I'm working on some other projects, but as far as like sticker books, so I have like Happy Planner there. Well, I have like some mixed stuff, but when I first had this organized, it was Happy Planner and then Mix brand here. And I have Simply Gilded. I have these cute stickers I just got from Daiso. Well, a couple weeks ago. How cute are these? Very summery ones. I have Planny Thing. I have Sweet Quiet Design. A road trip one because I took some road trips. Agenda 52. I have Wrong in here. Recollections, and this one. Oh, I need to pull this out. I picked some summer ones. So these are Wrongs. Summer Boardwalk, and then the mermaid one that she did. Links will be down below if you see any sticker books that you like. And my code is Sarah10 to save you 10% off your order. Even with Planny Thing, you can use that code. But I have her summer sticker books. There's another one from Wrong. And then I have Christian Designs and Agenda 52 and Shine Sticker Studio. That's a very old one of hers. Oh, that's so cute. But those are the ones that I decided to pull, so I didn't have to like go through my whole collection upstairs. And then this is Happy Planner. So I think this is faith stuff. I have Happy Year, Seasons, Cheerful Seasons, like the Stick Babe, Seasonal Stick Babe. And then I have, this is a newer one. This is the Seasonal Whimsy, Bright Travel. So I wanted to pull some newer sticker books down here. It's kind of the same thing when I shop my stash. And this is a newer one, Wild Jungle. I have my oldies but goodies in here, Household and Journaling. And then ones that I haven't used in a while, like Disney princesses. So I just picked a variety of things, so that way if I was in the mood to plan a spread out, I had some options. And then this is Happy and Hungry. So for meal planning, this is another good summer one, Sunshine Vibes. And then the 90s, a good summer one. And then one of my ultimate favorites, the emojis. I'm all about emojis. So yeah, that really does help to keep things organized and keeping it at a minimal, low key of like having my planner essentials down here. So the last thing I have near my desk is I always have like a tote bag, and this is actually one from ERIN CONDREN. It was launched with Ediby. Ediby is one of their designers that they work with, so it's super cute. And basically I just put in here like books that I'm reading or things that I'm working on. Like I took this with me on a road trip, and I had this planning pack that has map pencils in here, just things that I could use to color. This sticker book is a sticker book that I got at Five Below for me to color and play with. So anywho, I will always have like some type of planner tote to stick things in for on the go. And so this is what I use to put in my pens. Whoops, it's hard on one hand to stick that in there, or my planner or extra notebooks. My new desk space, so I just wanted to share something that was a little bit more organized, a little bit more low-key, things that I use on a daily basis. So just wanted to share this in case you were looking for somewhat of a setup like this, and I hope that you have enjoyed it. Let me know if there's anything else that you would like to see as far as like desk organization or tips and things like that in the comments down below. Let me know what's your favorite part from this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.